Hey dudes, you're back with Paddy again, RC Cars UK. Now, as you can see from this gloriously clean and pristine example of a Samsung S20 Ultra, you will notice that I've put a speed hole in the lens. No, it's not to make it zoom in and out faster. It's a stray rock that hit the lens. Here was the impact point, right here, top, this one. And after that it cracked out, and then I finally finished it off some weeks later at the SST P&P event. So what do? Do you send it off to Samsung for repair? No, because it's going to take a long time and it's going to cost you quite a bit of money. So got the wife to nip onto Amazon and go and get this little kit. Now in this kit you'll notice there's a few spare lens glasses. What do you get in this kit? Kit's about £7, £58. You get a pair of metal tweezers, yeah? You get 2 replacement glasses. Fantastic. You get a X-Acto knife, which is an alloy handled little X-Acto knife. It's pretty cool. Wet wipe and a dry wipe. And you also get just one, which is a bit bizarre. You get one adhesive pad. So if you do break one, and you have to stick the other one on at some point down the line, if you do break another one, the replacement, then you'll have to go and get some double-sided tape or something to stick this one on. So what you're going to notice first, guys, is that obviously the whole lens glass is going to need replacing, and to do that we're going to need some heat. So first and foremost we're going to get ourselves a hairdryer, and we're going to put some heat on that lens to try and make that glue residue on the sticky pad, the original sticky pad, come off quite easily. That's the theory anyway. Right guys, so that's the progress so far. I know it looks worse, but it's always going to look worse before it gets better. I've got most of the glue off from sort of this side here and up around that side. Just need to loosen this bit here now. Right guys, so that is it fresh off. Obviously not cleaned anything yet, but this is it fresh off. As you can see, it's basically just, you know those tempered glass screen protectors? It was basically just one of them with a sticky back pad on it, and this is why they fail all the time, is because if you notice the glass, like on the new ones, it's razor thin. So if I put any pressure on that now, my phone's just going to snap. So fitting the new one's going to be fun as well. Let's just tidy up what we've got here first, and then we can get around to fitting that new one. Right dudes, so I've got most of the residue off the back. Well enough of it anyway. I'm just going to have another quick wipe round around it. But in essence I've taken most of the residue off now, so that's good. Right, the backing is on. The backing was an absolute nightmare. I actually took it off the wrong way on the peel off film, so it's ended up with a few lumps and bumps, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, so we're going to pop the little screen glass on top now. Trying to sort of locate it in the bottom first. and push it on everywhere without actually breaking it. And I guess that's about it. Shiny new camera glass. Let's see how long this one lasts, eh? I'm guessing not very long. But it's all seated in there properly and everything, so good to go. No edges sticking up or anything like that. This edge here is a little higher. Stands proud of this anyway, in a vain attempt to try and protect it, I guess. So it is over there anyway, so probably what I'll do now is go around with a little brush and maybe flick out some of this. This is actually dry dirt. This is not crap from the thing. That stuff around the edge is dry dirt from where the phone got wet in some muddy puddles last week. But yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. New screen glass on. I'll just check the camera. So yeah, there we go. Good to go. So good on there. Cool. Thanks very much for watching, guys.